Mexico is a vibrant and colorful country located in the southern part of North America. It is rich in history, culture, and traditions that date back thousands of years to ancient civilizations like the Maya and Aztecs. Today, Mexico is famous for its lively cities, delicious food, festive music, and warm-hearted people. Its landscapes are incredibly diverse, from golden beaches along the Pacific Ocean and Caribbean Sea to vast deserts, lush jungles, high mountains, and active volcanoes. Mexico's cultural heritage is everywhere. In its colonial towns, magnificent pyramids, colorful festivals like Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead, and world-renowned cuisine featuring tacos, enchiladas, and spicy flavors. The country is also one of the most biodiverse in the world, with rich wildlife and breathtaking ecosystems. Whether exploring historic cities like Mexico City and Oaxaca, relaxing on the beaches of Cancun, or wandering through ancient ruins in Chichen Itza, Mexico offers a unique blend of adventure, tradition, and natural beauty. Subscribe to know more World Country.